Isaac starting his marriage on lies, telling Mampo that he was arrested for drinking and driving, and the car, it was for fraud. Even Maria can see, it's according to Ofla. Sandile told him to come clean, but he refused. Says he did a whole office for Isaac, but he politely declined and said that he will work from home. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zide. So, Mampo and Soga, they're finally away on their honeymoon. Wedding is done. Mampo wants to know, where were you? Why were you late? Why did you make me wait there for hours? Ngisho elangeni wena ungekho. Soga didn't want to talk about it. Says, what's going on? I said, no, man. Tell me, where were you? And then Sawyer comes clean saying that he was arrested. Mampa is shot. Arrested for what? And then he lies. He had an opportunity to come clean, but he decided to lie, telling Mampa he was arrested for drinking and driving, and that's why he was late. Spent a night on the cells, and Sandile came and bailed him out. Mampa says, so maybe you got cold feet at the car. I would never. And says, I'm your wife now, you need to be honest with me, Skulu. So Galezo is not there. Come on, Mama. Mampo. Maria is like worried about Soga. What really happened to Soga? Why was he late? Pela Mampo was really stressed. But Isaac says he does not know what was happening. He thinks Kutim Klambenje he was just having cold feet. But Maria thinks, no, calling the Ofla. Oh, Soga's never late, not even for a date. So why would you be late for his own wedding? The most important day of his life. Ask him, Isaac, how? You don't know how scary weddings are. I think he just got cold feet. And then Sandile phone Soga, telling him, did you talk to Mampo? Soga's like, no, man, I told her I was drinking and driving and I was arrested for that. Athi kanjani, bro? What do you mean you didn't tell her? Athi umbonile unjani lo muntu ngomtshela kanjani? Sandile is like, hey, he's getting on thin ice, man. You better tell her the truth. What are you waiting for? Until you have a house together, or when you have a kid, or when she's pregnant? Come clean, man, and just tell her. I wonder how Mampo is going to feel about this whole thing when she finds out. Also was arrested for fraud. Iwedding yabo was all a fraud. Imgemali a fraud. She's going to be so hurt. And mind you, Soga is not willing to come clean. Now Mampo is all happy, saying, one thing I love about us is that we're honest, we're open with each other. Ayisamudli uSoga le ndaba, because how are they open when he can't come clean? He still has court cases waiting for him. Emsebenzini bambisile for a fraud because he stole money from work. Apparently 250K to fund the wedding. Now Isaac, it's his first day as ufuna ukuqala phela ukukhansela, and says that he needs to get someone for the car wash. And Umara reminds him, don't let anyone bully you. Wena, your principle is people's first. Give her to Bill. And then he decides he's going to go to the car wash to train the new guy that's going to work there. Ngapha umsizi has a surprise for Isaac. Built a whole office for Isaac, wanting to surprise him. But to speak your things, Mlop is not like that. Why are you investing so much into him winning and being on that seat? Well, you know, Isaac is not that kind of a person. Atuana, this is a game. This is a point in the game. Just watch and learn. And then Isaac arrives to introduce this new guy, Usipho. This guy looks so down to earth. Ngathi umlife nje uzomhlupha. Umlife is like, hi man, sibara mara ke eng tsona tse. Sipho. Motho o kgona le besha nama o. Yo, Umlife was just looking down at this man like he wants to the position or the job himself. And then Msizi comes and says Councillor must come with him. He's got something to show him. God, it's a whole office, fully finished, beautiful office. Says it's a gift, no strings attached as usual. Kanjani, no strings attached, nomsizi, a criminal. And says, but Isaac was like, no, man, I can't take it. I can't take it. I decided to work from home. People voted for me so that they can have access to me. They can just come to my house anytime. Says doesn't understand, because you'd rather have people come to your house. Unlike having an office of your own. I appreciate what you're doing for me. Anyone would be happy to have this. But I'd like to work from home, and I really appreciate it. But says like, don't. If ever you change your mind, this is still, the offer still stands. You can still come and use the office. And then this Christopher guy that Tato had hunted comes with a portfolio saying he's been training some models and wants House of Zito to use them. And then goes to sue Tato. Apparently they had a clash out. And this guy now realizes Tato is big. He won some thingy, and he came second on this IFA thingy that Honor won. And then they start to talk on privately, and he says that Utato owes him an apology. I don't know what happened because he was not expecting the way he came on too strong. Is this guy into Tato? What's going on? And he says Utato is going far. I don't really understand the vibes here, what's really going on. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.